Every single day, thousands of brilliant YouTube channels die before they even begin, right on a smartphone screen. You know the exact cycle. You map out a great concept, open an AI tool, and within 30 seconds, the platform completely kills your momentum. You're hit with an aggressive paywall, an ugly watermark that ruins your credibility, or an engine that restricts your entire vision to a useless 4-second clip. We need to be brutally honest about where the creator economy is in 2026. The engines that actually make cinematic, high-retention content are properly paid. That's just the reality of the business. But here is the resolution. I wasn't willing to let a paywall dictate what I could create. So I spent the last few weeks mapping out exactly how these platforms operate, and I built a specific workflow designed to maximize every single free limit they offer. Today, I'm giving you the top 3 AI video generators of 2026 that every new creator must build their workflow around. I'm promising you premium studio-grade output with 0 watermarks. And we are completely done with 4-second limits. I'm going to show you how to generate entirely seamless 15 to 30-minute long videos, from hyper-realistic AI avatars that capture real human emotion to flawless studio-quality AI sound and cinematic visuals. These 3 platforms are your complete all-in-one production house. But not all of them are equal. First tool is completely free, and it's the one almost everyone is using the wrong way. Learn this one properly. It can replace hours of manual work.
Let's start with tool number 1, Meta AI. I already know what some of you are about to comment. Meta AI adds a watermark. Yes, it does. But here's what most people don't know. There's a browser extension that makes the whole workflow much easier. I've already shown the complete setup in this video. Just install the extension and follow the exact steps I'm using. Just install this extension, follow exactly what I'm doing, and watch what happens. Every visual is generated automatically, downloaded automatically, and there's no watermark. Trust me for unlimited free AI visual generation. You won't find a method like this anywhere else. If you use it the right way with good prompts, creating long-form videos becomes incredibly easy. If you want a complete video showing my full Meta AI workflow for making long videos, let me know in the comments and I'll cover everything step by step. Now just look at these results. They look absolutely incredible. With the right prompts, the quality and consistency are on another level, making long-form video creation much easier. I've already covered my complete Meta AI workflow, including how I write prompts to get consistent, high-quality visuals. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you do. It's packed with everything you need to know. And if you want more powerful AI workflows and systems like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Now you have everything you need to create 15 to 50-minute long-form videos completely for free. The only thing left is the voiceover. For that, you can use 11 Labs or any AI voice tool you prefer. Combine these visuals with a high-quality AI voice, and you'll have professional long-form videos ready to publish. Let's move to the next part. Every great video also needs great audio, and that's where tool number 2 comes in. With this tool, you can generate both AI images and AI videos, and the best part, it gives you free daily credits. If you already have a Google account, you're ready to start. Let's check out tool number 2, Google Flow. This is probably one of my favorite AI video tools right now. Just watch this.
Hey, which football team are you supporting today?
But that's only the beginning. You can generate cinematic AI videos, create stunning visuals, maintain consistent characters across every scene, expand or remix shots, and build an entire story without constantly switching between different tools. But wait, it gets even better. Alongside Google Flow, you can also use Google Vids to access the same VO models and generate even more AI video clips for free. By combining both platforms, you can get around 10 high-quality AI video generations every single day. And for most creators, that's more than enough to produce consistent content. Whether you're making YouTube videos, shorts, reels, or client projects, those free generations can go a long way. Now, let's be honest. Most of us already have 2, 3, or maybe even 5 Google accounts. So if you know how to use them wisely, I think you already know the rest. Now, for long cinematic videos, Google Flow is absolutely hard to beat. But what if you are creating AI avatars or short-form content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok? In that case, I wouldn't use Google Flow. I'd jump straight into tool number 3. It's faster, much more optimized for avatar-style content, and perfect if you want to create short videos consistently without spending hours editing. Let me show you exactly why this third tool is an absolute game changer for short-form content. This tool is actually built right into YouTube, And yes, it's powered by Google's VO3 model, so you're getting the same powerful AI technology without leaving the platform. Using it is incredibly simple. Just open YouTube Shorts, tap AI creation, and choose image to video. Now upload or select your avatar, type the dialogue or prompt you want it to say, and hit generate. That's it. In about 30 seconds, YouTube generates an 8-second AI avatar video with realistic lip sync, natural voiceover, facial expressions, and body movements, all automatically. Take a look at this.
Hello, now you are hearing the free avatar voice. I am pleased to be here with you today to share this message and demonstrate the quality of our audio technology.
The quality is genuinely impressive, especially considering how little work it takes. If you're creating shorts consistently, this can speed up your entire workflow and save you hours of editing. You can spend less time making the video and more time creating content that actually gets uploaded. If you're enjoying this video and want more AI tools, tutorials, and YouTube growth strategies like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you want me to break down a viral channel, profitable niche, or trending AI strategy next, let me know in the comments.